So what I'm going to do, this is the iPhone. This is iPhone 11 Pro. I want to put it in a DFU mode. So what I'll do first is I'll power up my system. This is my system. This also works on 11 Pro, 11 Pro Max, and iPhone 11. Good. Either you open iTunes or 3U2 to see if the iPhone is connected. So this is 3U2. So this is a USB or USB cord. Then I'll plug it on the iPhone. Then the next thing I'll do, I'll press the volume up, press the volume down, then press the power button and continue holding the power button. Don't leave the power button. If it doesn't work for the first time, you still do it again. So it doesn't work. Let me do it again. Press the volume up, press the volume down, then press and hold the power button. It has shown a power off. That means it's going to work. Please subscribe this channel, like and share the video. If you have any problem, you can ask. Check our course on the description where you can know more about how to flash phones. I'll continue holding it. If it doesn't work, you still try it again. It didn't work this time around, so let me try it again. So what I'm going to do, I'll press the volume up, press the volume down, then press and hold power button. Continue holding the power button. Make sure you don't leave the power button. Good. It's off now. So once you boot, you're going to enter DFU or recovery mode. So it has boot, then continue holding the power button until you enter DFU mode. Good. That is it. Has entered DFU mode. So that's how it's done. Thank you.